Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility, where the journey of nature's finest passion fruit begins under the first light of dawn in a pristine industrial setting. This modern production hub is designed for ultimate efficiency and cleanliness, ensuring every fruit that enters meets our rigorous standards for quality and natural freshness. Look at these vibrant purple fruits, hand-selected for their ripeness and aroma. Each one is a tiny treasure of flavor. It's ready to be processed with extreme care. We prioritize only the best raw materials, sourcing from sustainable farms to ensure that every jelly cup delivers a consistent and authentic taste of the tropics. The cleaning process uses high-pressure water systems to remove every trace of dust and impurities, ensuring a sterile start for our delicate fruit extraction phase. Safety and hygiene are our top priorities, and this multi-stage washing process guarantees that only the purest fruit proceeds to the next high-tech processing station. Our dedicated staff performs a final manual check, identifying and removing any fruit that doesn't meet our strict aesthetic and quality benchmarks for the production line. Even with our advanced automation, the human eye provides that essential layer of scrutiny to ensure perfection in every single batch of jelly we produce. Moving into the extraction zone, automated blades slice through the fruit with surgical precision, revealing the golden aromatic pulp hidden within the thick purple shells. The fragrance is incredible as the fruits open up, releasing the natural esters and juices that will soon become the foundation of our delicious fruit jelly. Our specialized extraction technology gently removes the pulp without damaging the seeds, preserving the full nutritional profile and the intense flavor of the fresh fruit. This pure essence is then transported through a closed-loop system, maintaining absolute sterility as it moves toward the advanced filtration and separation stages. The centrifugal separator spins at high speeds to isolate the pure juice from the seeds and fibers, resulting in a smooth and consistent liquid base. Every step is monitored to ensure the perfect texture, removing unwanted solids while retaining the natural color and vitamins that make passion fruit so incredibly healthy. Observe the clarity and rich color of the juice as it flows through these inspection tubes, a testament to our superior filtration and extraction techniques. Quality control is continuous, with our lab experts testing every batch for acidity and sugar content to ensure the flavor profile remains perfectly balanced every time. This concentrated essence of passion fruit is now ready for the mixing stage, where it will be combined with other premium ingredients to create the jelly. Efficiency meets nature in this department, where the raw power of technology is harnessed to extract the very best that the passion fruit has to offer. Now we enter the precision mixing phase, where ingredients like pure rock sugar and natural seaweed powder are measured with milligram accuracy by robotic systems. Thus, the addition of high-quality agar-agar ensures a perfect, wobbly texture that melts in your mouth, all while keeping the product completely plant-based and healthy. Powerful agitators create a swirling vortex, ensuring that the juice and natural gelling agents are perfectly homogenized for a consistent flavor in every single cup. The mixture begins to thicken as it blends, taking on a beautiful sheen that reflects the high quality of the raw ingredients we use in production. Advanced software monitors every variable, from rotational speed to internal pressure, allowing our technicians to maintain the delicate balance required for the perfect jelly formula. Every batch is logged and tracked, ensuring full traceability and consistency, which is the hallmark of our modern, technology-driven approach to food production. Controlled heating is applied to fully activate the gelling agents, a process that requires precise temperature management to avoid damaging the natural fruit aromas. The golden liquid is then transferred through sanitized valves, moving seamlessly to the next stage of our advanced production line without any human contact. This is the heart of our operation, where nature and science combine to create a product that is both delicious and produced to the highest standards. Before we proceed, a final sample is taken to ensure the mixture meets our rigorous specifications for viscosity, sweetness, and that unmistakable passion fruit tang. We now reach the most critical phase, the ultra-high temperature sterilization system, where technology ensures the safety and long shelf life of our jelly. In just a few seconds, the mixture is heated to 140 degrees Celsius, effectively eliminating all harmful bacteria while preserving the fruit's integrity. This flash heating and rapid cooling process is the secret to maintaining the fresh taste and vibrant color of the passion fruit without needing any preservatives. Yet precision pressure control ensures that the delicate fruit flavors aren't lost to evaporation, keeping the intense tropical essence locked inside the liquid mixture. Our engineers monitor the thermal curve in real time, ensuring that every drop of jelly receives the exact amount of heat required for perfect sterilization. Rapid cooling is essential to stop the cooking process immediately, locking in the vitamins and the natural, bright yellow-orange hue of the fresh passion fruit. This advanced machinery represents our commitment to food safety, allowing us to deliver a product that is pure, fresh, and shelf-stable for your enjoyment. Every component of the UHT system is designed for maximum hygiene, with automated cleaning and place cycles that maintain a completely sterile environment at all times. Our rigorous safety protocols combine automated monitoring with physical inspections, ensuring that the technology is always performing at its peak for every production run. Now perfectly sterile and safe, the golden passion fruit mixture flows toward the final stage, where it will be captured in its final convenient packaging. The speed of the production line is breathtaking as thousands of empty cups arrive at the aseptic filling station, ready to be filled with liquid gold. Advanced filling heads dispense the sterilized mixture with incredible speed and milliliter precision, ensuring that every cup is filled to the exact same level. The filling happens in a positive pressure, filtered air environment to prevent any contamination, maintaining the purity achieved during the UHT sterilization process. Next, high-speed sealing machines apply a protective aluminum layer, creating an airtight bond that preserves the flavor and freshness of the passion fruit jelly. Each seal is checked instantly by sensors to ensure it is perfectly airtight, providing a barrier against the environment and locking in the natural goodness. Precision robotics take over the handling, moving the freshly filled cups into their secondary packaging with a level of speed and grace only automation can provide. The final touch is the addition of the outer cap, providing extra protection and making the product ready for the shelves of your favorite premium stores. The sound of progress is the steady rhythm of the packaging line, where hundreds of units are completed every minute with consistent and reliable quality. A final pass through a controlled cooling tunnel sets the jelly to its perfect consistency, transforming the liquid mixture into the wobbly treat we all love. This massive, fully automated operation ensures that we can meet global demand while never compromising on the quality or safety of our passion fruit jelly. Every single cup passes through an advanced X-ray and metal detection system, guaranteeing that no foreign objects ever make it into the final product. So high-speed laser printers apply a unique tracking code and expiration date, allowing for full traceability from the farm to the palm of your hand. In our QC lab, random samples are tested for consistency, ensuring that the brix levels and acidity perfectly match our award-winning flavor profile. Automated vision systems inspect the labeling and packaging for any defects, rejecting any unit that doesn't look absolutely perfect for our valued customers. Once cleared, the cups are boxed into sturdy cardboard cases designed to protect the delicate contents during their journey to markets around the world. Massive robotic arms stack the cases with geometric precision, preparing large pallets for efficient shipping and distribution across the international supply chain. Our warehouse uses smart logistics to manage inventory, ensuring that the freshest products are always the first to be shipped to our retail partners. Every box carries our seal of quality, a promise that the product inside has been crafted with the best ingredients and the most advanced technology available. From the orchard to the factory and now to your table, our commitment to excellence is reflected in every shipment that leaves our facility. Finally, the moment of truth. Opening a cup of our passion fruit jelly reveals a shimmering golden surface that smells just like a freshly picked fruit. The texture is a perfect balance of soft and firm, with a burst of tropical flavor that is both refreshing and deeply satisfying for any time of day. Experience the perfect harmony of pure taste and modern technology. Our passion fruit jelly, pure taste, modern technology, and perfect quality in every bite.